Howdy folks, my name's Chris and welcome back to my shop. In today's video, we're going to take the lighting from this and transform it into this for under $200. So if you want to see how I did it, stick around. Now, full disclosure on this video, the lighting was provided by Sunco, but I reached out to them. They have a quality product and it was something I was interested in doing anyhow. Now, everything in this setup is mobile. This is a rental property, so I wanted to have as little of a permanent impact to the space as possible. So really, the lights were installed with just 4 different anchor points. Each anchor point has 2 hooks, and then those are just screwed into the studs. And then I used 550 cord here, or parachute cord, and I actually ran out, so I used some masonry twine that I had, which I would like to replace with 550 cord just because I couldn't tension it as strong. Now it actually requires 600 pounds of tension. If you had, well, the math I did was if you had a 10-pound point weight in the middle, to have negligible deflection, it would actually be tensioned to 600 pounds. So I don't know how much tension I have in it, but I used 2 ratchet straps, one for each line that I strung. And the one that's not 550 cord is noticeably less tight. Now I have these coming out of the Light Fixtures, and I do want to make a note about that. The converters that I have in there are rated to 600 watts, so I'm well under the spec threshold for those. So I don't want you to think I've kind of got this rigged up and it's a fire hazard, because it's really not. I like it because it's tied into the light switches. Now the garage, I'm illuminating here. I'm really going to cast the primary light on half of the garage. So what I'm going to do is 2 runs of 4, spaced about 5 or 6 feet apart. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and unbox these. So next we'll take a look at what the contents of one of these hardware packages is. So each light comes with 2 lengths of chain, 4 S-hooks, 4 screws, 6 wall anchors, and 2 hooks. And just to note, the screw diameter and the thread diameter on these hooks is about the same, so you could actually thread these hooks into these wall anchors. And remember, these lights only weigh about 2.4 pounds, so there'd probably be no issue suspending the weight of these lights at all from wall anchors, even into just drywall. So that's what comes in each one. What I'm going to use out of this are, we'll see about the hooks. I may use multiple hooks because of the tension I'm going to use. But my goal is to use only the hardware that came with the lights to hang them, with the exception of my 550 cord or parachute cord and the ratchet straps. hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, lighting made all the difference in the world to this space. Not only is it a safer environment to work in, but it's also a lot more inviting and refreshing to step into a well-lit space to build a project. So really what I would like you to take away from this video is to not be discouraged to improve your lighting situation. Even if it's with 1 or 2 fixtures like this, they can make a huge difference improving the quality of your work area. And as you can see, the solution for this space is something that I'm going to tear down and take with me as I travel. Now, if you're interested in these lights, I will provide an Amazon affiliate link for those that are interested. And I would encourage you to check out Sunco Lighting. I do appreciate their products, and I think they have a pretty good line of things. Even before I bought these fixtures, I went with 2 of their, those are very bright. I went with 2 of their flood bulbs to improve the space just with the light fixtures I had. So anyhow, thanks for watching.